In 2025 alone, crypto transfers have surged by over 300%, and with billions moving daily, even a small mistake can cost you big. But what if transferring between Trust Wallet and MetaMask was easier than you think? Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into how to move your crypto safely and efficiently between Trust Wallet and MetaMask. With transaction speed and gas fees being more important than ever, this guide is a must for anyone in crypto. Transferring crypto might sound simple, but many users run into frustrating problems: high gas fees, stuck transactions, or sending tokens to the wrong network. One wrong click, and you might end up waiting hours or worse, losing your funds altogether. For example, sending BNB from Trust Wallet to MetaMask on the wrong chain can leave your funds lost, unless you know how to recover them. Plus, paying with ETH gas fees fluctuating, many users are paying more than they should. Let's walk through a safe and proper way to transfer between these two wallets. So, first step, open Trust Wallet and select the token you want to send. So I recently went through a video on how to download and install MetaMask. So with Trust Wallet, it's the exact same thing. You search it up, you download the extension on your computer, or you download the app, you set it up, create a password, you'll have a certain key, keep it locked, and then you can set it up from there. So as you can see, I have MetaMask and Trust Wallet as extensions. It doesn't matter which one you start on, but I'm going to start on Trust Wallet. So you can go from MetaMask to Trust Wallet or Trust Wallet to MetaMask. Their platforms are very similar when it comes to looks, and it functions the same basically. It's just a crypto holding platform. So I'm going to open up Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to make sure you use the correct network. BNB chain for BEP20, Ethereum for ERC20, etc. As you can see, I have Ethereum, Polygon, Bitcoin, BNB. So you're going to want to copy your MetaMask wallet address. Again, make sure it's on the same network as your token. So right now, as you can see send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. So we're going to send. So for MetaMask, it's right on the top. You can press copy to clipboard, and then the address is copied. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. Paste the MetaMask address in Trust Wallet's send field. So now I'm going to go over to send, and then I'm going to choose the correct token like I talked about before. From here, I'm going to paste in the address I just copied. Now you're going to enter a valid amount of how much you want to send. Since I have 0, I'll put 0. Next step, you're going to want to hit preview. Now this is where you double check everything, especially the network and the address, so you can go back and check it up from here. Once that's done, you're going to want to hit confirm, and it will send it to that address. And you can track the transaction using a block explorer like BSC scan or Etherscan. Now here's a pro tip. If you're transferring your Ethereum-based tokens, wait for the low gas periods. Late nights or weekends can be cheaper. Now, mine did not go through because I do not have any of these tokens at all. But if you do, you will be able to confirm and send it to that exact address. So here's a quick trick that can save you time and money. Use bridges and network swaps inside Trust Wallet or MetaMask to change your tokens to a network with lower fees before transferring. For example, convert EHT to BNB inside Trust Wallet and then transfer it to MetaMask using the BNB chain. This reduces gas fees significantly, sometimes by over 90%. Even better, use layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum or Polygon if supported. They're faster and cheaper, and now both wallets support them. Now, what I did with Trust Fund, you can do the exact same thing with MetaMask. Now with Trust Wallet, in order to send MetaMask to Trust Wallet, it's almost the same thing. So you're going to want to choose the direct token you want. So I'm going to choose BNB, and then you're going to click on receive. Proceed, select your token, and then you're going to copy the address right here, or you can scan the QR code. You copy it, and then you head over to MetaMask. Now same thing as before. You click on receive, you click on send, and then you can enter your public address or domain name. Again, make sure everything is checked off properly. Now since I have zero insufficient funds, it's not going to let me. But if you click on continue, you can see the funds you have and you can send it. So to recap, watch out for network mismatches, time your transfers for lower fees, and use swaps or bridges when needed. With just a little prep, moving crypto between Trust Wallet and MetaMask can be fast, safe, and cheap.